Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. This is a tutorial of urban sketching. So for the reference part, I just use Pinterest and I scroll a lot. This reference, I have lost the photo, so I cannot post it here. For the supplies, I'm using a sketchbook, A5 sketchbook, and I'm using a paintbrush from a local store and Art Ranger's gouache. For the drawing part, I start with my drawing or pencil sketches. I draw it with pencil first and then I draw it with the gel pen or sometimes a simple ball pen because I have to use water later on. And then we have our painting process. For the painting process, I use a lot of water because it's more flowy that way and it's easy to paint. I paint the outline or the basic lines in the sketch first, then I move forward to the bigger parts of the sketch, and then at last I do the tiniest parts of the sketch, the details, you can say. Because this is a very basic, the beginner's level kind of sketch, so I do not focus on the shadows and I usually use the pictures that do not have shadows in them. Similarly, for the green parts of the picture, I use dark green and light green on and off. For the tiniest parts of the sketches, if I have to use black color, I prefer to use ball pen or pointer because it's less messy than the paint. And if you have to use any other color, you can use brush pens, they give a very good detailing. So here we have our complete sketch. Thank you so much for watching.